A Kremlin-backed candidate is set to be elected governor of Russia's Primorsky region. But his road to success wasn't that straightforward. Sunday's vote was actually a rerun. A previous election in September saw a Communist Party challenger claim he was the rightful winner over the Kremlin's nominee and threaten the Kremlin's usually tight grip on power. But that poll was annulled by election officials, citing voting irregularities. Hundreds of people took to the streets at the time, saying the decision robbed the opposition of a rare election win. And some political commentators claim the initial results showed fading public support for the Kremlin. After the election rerun was announced, the Kremlin ditched its candidate from the September vote. President Vladimir Putin installed Oleg Kozymyako instead, a candidate with chiseled good looks and none of the political baggage of his predecessor. The communist challenger from the first round was disqualified from running. It was alleged he'd failed to reach the threshold for winning endorsements from regional lawmakers. With 4/5 of the ballots counted on Sunday, Kozymyako took 60% share of the vote, according to the Central Election Commission. His win will restore the Kremlin's familiar tight control over the region.